Okay, Tram, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Can you tell us a bit about your driving test? What questions did the driving examiner ask you at the beginning of the test?
So they asked me about the car control or the signal and everything, and then she said that if I'm clear with her instructions, she's gonna use hand gesture or not. So yeah, confirm everything before we start moving.
Perfect. What questions, what car controls did she ask you?
She asked all the indicators, the high beam, the minister, and then also the brake. Yeah, and then inside she asked a few buttons like hazard and AC. So yeah.
Okay, great. And what maneuvers did you do?
So I did U-turn and then parallel parking. Reverse, yeah, parallel parking, and that's it. I think, yeah.
Okay. Your test was at 11:10 in the morning. Did you go to highway?
Yeah, I did went to highway.
How did that go?
Really smooth. Luckily, it's not much traffic, but yeah, I did well, I think.
Okay, great. And were you nervous during the test?
The beginning, very few second beginning, yes, but during driving, she's really calm, so which make me calm as well, which is good, yeah.
So is that how you managed to control your nerves because she was calm?
Yeah, I think yeah, just focus on the road and then just deep breath, honestly, and it helps you calm a lot. And then just take your time, observe the road. Yeah.
So you are originally from Vietnam. You said you didn't drive in Vietnam, but you rode a scooter in Vietnam, right?
Yeah, I'm aware of road and traffic a little bit, but with scooter only. And when I first came to Australia, and then this is just a few lessons, and I just took the test.
In Vietnam, do you drive on the same side like Australia?
No, completely opposite. So it's different. Yeah.
Do you think you're going to drive back in Vietnam if you go there?
No, I think I'm nervous. Maybe with the scooter, but for the driving, I have to get the proper instruction and driving lesson. Maybe, yeah.
Okay, cool. Any recommendations for students to go for the test?
Honestly, don't overthink. Don't overthink that what's gonna happen. Just keep calm and then follow the clear instruction. That's all you need. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you very much, Tram. Congratulations again. Thank you.
you.